I'm Noah Bond. I am working with Cardiff Theatrical Services as an apprentice doing construction and fabrication. So I was in Stanwell School before I went to college to study carpentry, progression and joinery. And then I kind of got put forward for this apprenticeship. When I was in school, I was realizing I didn't want to do like a desk job where we just sit and do nothing. I'm kind of more of a doer. And I did media, and obviously that kind of started playing on theatrical side and just seeing how things were done, and kind of sparked an interest, and that's why I've chosen to go this route in life. Yeah. So my teacher in college, well, my tutor, kind of put 5 of us that he thought would do well forward. And after reading about it, researching the company and what they do, and it just sparked an interest, and I was like, that is something that I have been wanting to do. And yeah, I spoke to my parents about it and got an interview and got it. Yeah, so we were given a tour of the place, which was really nice. It looked awesome, and we were kind of told what we're expecting. So we're gonna help out, learn how to weld, fabrication and all of that, and then yeah, just help build the sets and stuff, which is quite cool. I think considering an apprenticeship is quite a clever way to go, as it's not something that's always, promised that you're gonna get and keep, but I think you see what you would be doing and you learn a lot with people that have actually worked, as I guess college in that you learn the basics and how to do it by the book. But when you're working with someone on site, you learn the little tricks and skills, and you just pick up on more with people who do it. So I think apprenticeship is always a good route to go, to experience, learn, make connections. Yeah.